Hi, John the Man Guy again. Another hot day in the UK. Now this is something I wasn't actually going to bother to put online, but I'm so pleased with what's happened that I thought it might help someone out. Wheelbarrows. Right, okay, here we have the trusty old wheelbarrow. And what happened was, being a man of means, I do have another one, and I was tempted to take this to the dump, and because the actual mountings had rotted through. I can show you. So basically you've got this affair, and again these had two pieces on here which obviously supports those, and then the rod, if you actually take the wheel off, this is the wheel, if you actually take the wheel off, there's an inner sleeve and a big bolt goes all the way through. Very simple affair. Okay, so then I thought I couldn't be bothered actually taking it to the dump, to be honest, and I thought I must be able to use this because I use it for concreting and what have you. It's quite a handy container. So you can see, you get the idea what I've done, using this brilliant little tool which is from the air compressor, with a very fine blade. I cut the rough ends off, which had the original holes in and had completely gone, and you can see that now. So then I thought what I could drill holes a bit further up. First of all, flatten the tubing. Now for the flattening the tubing, I just use a standard, you can find the thing, welding clamp. Oh, there it is. And the metal's actually soft enough so you can actually just flatten the tubing a bit further up, and that allowed me to drill in. For the record, it's the bolts are 19 mil. They came off quite nicely. Surprisingly, actually came off very easily. And then using a drill, I tend to find these drills very good actually, because it saves you faffing around trying to find the right size drill. And it took it up to about, on here, about a 14, I think, which will enough to take that through. So you get the idea. I mean, if you can't go too far up, because otherwise when you put it all back again, if you've gone too far up, of course the wheel is going to touch this base, but you can just test it out with the wheel to see where it is. But anyway, I've just more or less put it together to see if this thing's going to work, and it looks like I have a working wheelbarrow again. Yeah, saves all the hassle of, and it does seem a shame because the wheel itself is very good, and I only took it off because so I could take it to the dump, actually, to take the rest of it to the dump and keep the wheel. But as it happens, I think I've got, what I'll do, of course, is clean up, wax all it a bit or something, put something on there, some rust inhibitor, paint it on. I think the old girl's worth it, so keep it going for a bit longer. So there you go. I don't think there's anything else I can think of. Yeah, another quickie for today. Thank you. Bye.